What's going on, guys? It's your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a update video, guys. We are gonna go over Poolin.me, as you've seen on past video of the Doge Mini from Goldshell that we are running. We run that here on Poolin. All right, now then we were doing for their, they do have bonus mining. For Bitcoin, Ethereum, not for Ethereum, but for Bitcoin, as well as Litecoin, because you mine Doge. Now, I do mine Doge as well with mine, and I actually auto convert my Doge right back into Litecoin, so I get paid like 0.01 to 0.013 usually per day. It's about 1% of a Litecoin per day with the Goldshell mini Doge. Now, I also have moved over my CKB miner over here to help kind of facilitate things out, and I'm going to move that into payouts into Bitcoin once I reach my full 10k. I'm trying to reach 10,000 CKB from the Goldshell, and then we're going to move over into mining for Bitcoin. And I'll have the same plan of action once I reach one full Litecoin from mining Litecoin, or mining from Litecoin, Dogecoin into Litecoin. Then from then on out, we'll move it into Bitcoin as well, and we'll further along our Bitcoin holdings and ROIs. Because I personally think it would be a better, maybe a better play as a per mining standpoint right now during this kind of market. Accumulate more Bitcoin while its price is low, so when price goes up, ROI faster, theoretically. So what we're going to do is kind of look in here at Poolin. So once you've set up an account, I'll have a link for you down below to their website for you to log in and create an account. You can anonymous mine on some of these things, but for the auto conversions and stuff like that and the dual mining or the dual earning, you have to have it set up with an account, sadly. I used to use them for anonymous mining back in the day, but I can't do that for this situation, so here we are. No referral links, but you'll have the link, and you can just go right here in the dashboards, guys, and you can, like, right here set the CKB. You can choose Bitcoin, Ethereum, ZEC, Zen, Litecoin, Decred, Dash, CKB, Bitcoin Cash, Handshake, and Starcoin. Now, a lot of these are actually you can mine on gold shells, and a lot of these are also ASIC coins too, which is pretty cool. All those coins do have a conversion. You can convert to Bitcoin, which I thought was actually pretty cool. There are fees involved, of course, not very high, but they do list them right here, and about average for most other pools. Now, what is easy to find, we didn't know at first, is that whenever you go in here, you go to withdrawal settings, and this is where you can do all of your stuff. So you can settle in Bitcoin. After turning on it settles in Bitcoin, your mining profit will be converted into BTC at a fixed time each day and paid preset Bitcoin address. So you set the Bitcoin address. Now, the reason why I like this is because of this little thing right here. Your mining profit will be converted into Bitcoin at a fixed time each day. Almost like DCAing in the Bitcoin every day at a specific time for whatever amount that you might have been mining. Mining on the CKB miner has been pretty steady, so it's almost going to be like putting a dollar or two into Bitcoin every day at said time, which could be a overall better investment. We don't know, but we're gonna give it a shot once we reach our full 10k CKB in the wallet. So really cool. You can also do an earnings split, so you can actually split your earnings if you want. You could do CKB and Bitcoin, really cool little feature. Now for Litecoin, which is a dual, you mine Litecoin, you also get paid in Dogecoin. So as you can see here, you could go to Dogecoin auto payments, so it would pay out Dogecoin automatically once you reach the limit, and I think it's like 50 Dogecoin, something like that, if I'm not mistaken. Or you can do settle in LTC, which is what I do. Every day at the fixed time, the Dogecoin that I mine for that day gets paid into Litecoin. So like a few times Dogecoin's been pumping because Elon wants to tweet about it. At those times, Dogecoin's pumping, Litecoin's value is the same or less compared to the pump of Dogecoin that day. So, and overall, it ends up being a better trade for Litecoin that day. You can change this every 48 hours if you so heart's desired. You can set it up automatically or not. So that's pretty cool. Interesting little facts. Now all of the ones that were bonuses like Bitcoin and Litecoin, here is your merge mining settings. Of course, you would be Namecoin and Vcash. You would turn those on for auto payments. Those, I don't think those actually have it looks like the option to turn into Bitcoin. So if you're mining Bitcoin, you may not get Bitcoin. It's very possible. Not sure on that one. But on all the other ones, of course, like if you're mining Ethereum, you can settle in Bitcoin daily, which is nice because it could kind of save you. Zec, same thing. Zen does not. They do not allow you to withdraw into Bitcoin. Decred does. Dash does. CKB, we know it does. Bitcoin Cash, it does settle into Bitcoin. Vcash auto payments. Handshake does not, and Starcoin does not. So there are a few coins that actually do not convert, that you cannot automatically withdraw into Bitcoin, but quite a few of them do, which is actually a pretty cool little trick there. Now they also have something called pool accounts, where if you deposit in, if you're mining and you have a bunch of ASICs maybe, and you have multiple different ASICs that could mine into Bitcoin, this could benefit to you maybe. I don't know. Could kind of depend on where you live and reside. They don't KYC though, so food for thought. Do your own research. It's not financial advice whatsoever. I'm not responsible for anything that may or may not happen. So you can mine and earn interest by it. You could convert all these coins into Bitcoin and earn a 2.5% APY with said Bitcoin. Yeah. Calculates yesterday mining's earnings versus yesterday's interest, and that does that for these few coins right here: USDT, ZEC, Litecoin, ETH, and Bitcoin. You can earn higher percentage. So of course 4% for stable coins is normal. Celsius offers more, but everyone offers more for the stable coins. So you would just change your coins up here. If you're going to mine something, you're going to go to workers, and this is where you would go in to add a worker, and you would just, where was it at? Oh, yep. Create. You would name it. So what are we on? We're just going to name it test. Add. Group's been created successfully. So now we have the group, And then you can come in here and you would have your miner. Really straightforward, super simple on how to set things up for your mining. Check out your earnings. You go to the earnings tab. It gives you a breakdown, what's total and paid, what your balance is before payout, total mined yesterday, or total today's estimate and to yesterday's. Now for things like Litecoin, all right, it goes over into Litecoin payments. And now if you have Dogecoin enabled, I don't think we did, no. So we would do that. We can just we're just gonna set it to the pool account. Okay, and we'll click send and it'll verify, blah, 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 blah. And just like that. You go in here and it's set. So now it's set up to get Doge auto payments. You could settle it in Litecoin. But just that way it gives you the extra tab. You would get Litecoin payments, then it would give you Dogecoin payments right here as well. Super simple on how to set it up. And instead of using their address, if you want to change it, you just click right here, use Doge address, and you would put in your address. So you don't have to use any of their addresses whatsoever for payouts and etc. You can have a deposit to whatever address and wallet you desire. So Core wallet, Zelle Core wallet, whatever your heart's desires. Super simple. Just kind of quick go over of this pool that actually has some really cool features that we will be utilizing for some of the ASICs and other altcoin mining things for FPGAs and ASICs. So guys, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe button, bell notifications switch on when we go live here, guys. We greatly appreciate it. All of these awesome links for some Doge Lord coffee referral link is down below, and awesome merch you can also find right in the description below. We'll catch y'all next time, guys. Peace out, much love, keep your hash rates up, the watts down low, and maybe earning some extra Bitcoin every day. Yeah.